magnet. He won't let me glue it.
Oh, well. He keeps looking at it. Okay. I like your ship box. It's a ship box edition. It's a V8. Too busy looking at the ship box. He put the sticker ship box edition. Brandon on his Audi put, let's go Brandon edition. Yeah, I turned on blinker for his 8. I'm coming, no matter what. Dad's probably wondering where the fuck we've been. Oh, yeah.
What is it?
Nothing.
Rain
Text
again?
my wife.
Don't be texting and driving.
Well, you text her.
Aaron's driving. Hey, they can help you with my car. Hey, you want a muffler?
Hit. They tried to say something. Hey, there's a cup on your head. Oh, she texted back as I click it. Love you too. There's a cup.
There's a dog.
Look at it. Look at it. There ain't no way it go to stage. Hey, there
There they are. We won.
He even turned off. What the fuck? How'd that happen? You got it. Wanna go?
You'll never make it across with all these cars.
Just for Dad. That's all that was. I didn't see him, but
He's probably shopping with her to get the right goods.
Z06. Z06. Old people.
Uh-oh. Is that for us? Are they beeping for us? Why do they just point and not say anything? Did you see her? She just do that. Man, look at all that traffic.
There's an old Bronco. That's what the new one's based off of.
Yeah. I know that.
You didn't know that?
I knew that.
Wanna go explore?
You wanna go explore? Yeah, let's explore.
You fucking asshole. Drop my fucking phone, you fucking fuck. Appreciate it. Do. I really do. Appreciate you dropping my phone on the ground, you motherfucker.
Oh, Aaron's gonna get in a fight. I'm not helping him.
Oh, you and Garrett. You and Garrett again.
I have to go to work. I can't get beat up.
Well, we'll go see Michael Scott. You'll be alright. Scott Michael.
Oh, there he is again. My shoulder already hurts. I heard it. Well, my company didn't pay for it or anything.
Oh, yeah?
They need to.
Come on.
What's with the lights?
Haha. Haha. I did that. I was going to do the finger.